You don't have to go to space to see NASA technology. It's all around you. Some are in our houses like carbon dioxide detectors, and some save lives like pacemakers. There are over 2,000 innovations that are considered to be NASA spinoffs. A NASA spinoff is a commercial product or service that results from technology originally developed by NASA for its missions, but now benefits everyday life. You can discover and interact with some of these innovations at ARTECHOUSE Houston. In 1992, then NASA Administrator Dan Golden noted that the point of exploration isn't just the destination, it's the journey. It's not about going someplace, it's about what you find along the way. Walk into any hospital and look at the technology. CAT scans, magnetic resonance, and intensive care monitoring equipment are all derivatives of Apollo. No wonder Newsweek called Apollo the best return on investment since Leonardo da Vinci bought himself a sketchpad. Visit ARTECHOUSE Houston to explore these innovations for yourself.